Thinking about buying a home in Sarnia that needs work? Fixer-uppers can be a smart way to get more house for your money, but they come with challenges you'll want to be ready for. Let's look at what you should know before making the move. Hi, I'm Hillary Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, your local experts in Sarnia-Lambton real estate. We've helped many buyers purchase and renovate homes across the region from downtown Sarnia to Brights Grove and Plympton-Wyoming. Here are the key things to consider. First, understand the true costs. Renovations can add up fast, especially with today's labor and material prices. Always budget at least 10 to 20% more than your estimate for unexpected surprises. For example, one Brights Grove buyer budgeted $40,000 for updates, but ended up closer to $50,000 after electrical issues, yet still gained solid value in the end. Second, secure the right financing. Standard mortgages may not cover major renovations. Options like purchase plus improvements mortgages or personal lines of credit can help you spread out renovation costs. Many Sarnia buyers use these tools to make upgrades more manageable. Third, never skip a home inspection. In older neighborhoods, inspections often reveal wiring, roofing, or insulation needs that could change your renovation plans and budget. Fourth, focus on upgrades that add value. Kitchens, bathrooms, and energy efficiencies usually bring highest returns in Sarnia. Cosmetic updates like paint and flooring are also cost-effective ways to boost value quickly. One Corunna buyer focused on just kitchens and bathrooms and saw their property value rise more than 15% in under 2 years. Finally, be prepared for the lifestyle. Living in a home under renovation can be stressful. Some buyers take projects in phases to spread out costs and disruptions, while others rent somewhere else until the work is done. So, is a fixer-upper right for you? It can be a great way to enter the market, build equity, and create your dream home. But it requires realistic budgeting, patience, and the right support team. At Blue Coast Realty, we help buyers evaluate fixer-uppers with a clear eye, connecting you with inspectors, contractors, and financing options to make the process smoother. If you're considering a home that needs work, reach out today and let's turn that project into a smart investment.